cat pets herself.
I think this would be a good selling point.
I think so. I'll put a video. If that doesn't say, look how cute I am.
Wait, you know what's so funny? Like, if it was a kid and they noticed, they'd stop right away, you know?
She's trying to put the coat on. That's what she's trying to do.
Oh my gosh. She's in love. Oh my gosh.
It's that catnip perfume I was wearing.
Like, she's digging in.
I'm going to get inside here.
Get in there.
That is the best jacket ever.
Man, get my whole body on there.
So what happens if I put it on top of her? Did I ruin it for you? Did I ruin it for you?
I don't know.
Like, that's what I've been trying to do. Yes. So stupid. Oh, now the other kitty messed it up for you. I get it. Hey, kitty, kitty. Hey.
No, back to business.
Anyways, back to me. All about me.